Hello, it's Brighty Attacker here once again with another, well, as you can see, it's another tech unboxing, which, well, has become a bit too much of the norm for the moment, but, well, hopefully that should be changing, although the contents of this box should be a rather large step forward in gaming, of which I will explain in a bit. But first, yeah, got it the right way. Get the camera in the right way, you idiot. Yep. And yep, that's one. And I'm doing this left-handed, even though I am right-hand dominant. Yep. Probably would be able to tell. And right, so knife in there. So that's it. Go. Hang on. I think I'm gonna do this the simple way and actually do it with my right hand instead of my left. That should be enough. Well, also, this is going to be a video of two parts. First part is going to be me just showing this and a little bit of the backstory. The second part, which is actually going to be in 1080 30, because none of my video creation software can do 1080 60. Yes, and you can probably tell what it actually is from the red and that. Yeah, what we have here is an Xbox 360 controller for Windows. Right, let me just put that over there for a sec. Yep, that's me invoice. And of course, with Overclockers UK orders, obligatory Haribo, which I didn't get with the last one. Yep, that's that. That's that. Box can go down there, and well, as you can see from here, we have no cat because she's sleeping over here now. But well, right. Yes, and as one YouTuber would say, I didn't have to do the Raiders of the Lost Walmart, or as we say over here, the Raiders of the Lost Asda. But then again, I don't even think Asda sells 360 controllers. Well, mine doesn't. But the only reason I got this was because originally, and with that thing, I was actually playing games with this, which is, well, a knockoff PlayStation 3 controller. Because you can't even call it a PlayStation 3 controller because it doesn't have the 6-axis functionality, that motion sensing functionality that one of these has. And normally, if I have to play something like Ayrton Lico Cougar, Nell of RCL, I have to use one of these because it's required, as some of the in-battle components require you to hold down shoulder buttons and shake the controller. Unfortunately, I need to get some replacements, or I need to deep clean that. But anyway, because originally with this, I was actually playing Sonic Generations, and the moment I started to get past the first level, every single time when I reached the second level point in the white space hub world, every time I would get to a level, it would start zooming in, zooming out, zooming in, zooming out, zooming in. Yep. And once in the game, when I was playing Green Hill Modern Sonic, Sonic would actually start kick flipping to the left, and it locked down the controller, and I couldn't do anything until I Alt F4'd out the game. And I originally thought that it was the problem. That is the problem with the USB controllers. And which is part of the reason why I ended up getting this thing. Although when I plugged this into that, although actually before I did that, I actually have another controller hidden under here that did the same thing. But when I plugged this into here, I installed Sonic Generations on that before I actually got the 1050 Ti, and yes, it is pronounced Ti, not Ti. When I actually did it the first time, it did the same things, and then I actually investigated further, and I found out the problem was not with the computers or with the controller. Well, part of it was the actual controller I was using, because this is actually set up for direct input. And when I actually did my investigations into Sonic Generations as to why it was always doing all these problems, the first solution that was given was to download a piece of software that turns this into this. And because the difference between these two is because this is direct input, that's X input. And going deeper, I found out that the problem with Sonic Generations is it is absolutely rubbish with direct input controllers. Hence getting this, although the other reason why I've gotten this is because there are certain games in my Steam library that'll only work with an X input controller. So yeah, and while I could have easily have gotten a Rock Candy Xbox 360 controller for about 18 quid from my local Sainsbury's, or I could have gotten an Afterglow for 20, those might not have been up to the quality of this thing, which cost me the very sweet price of £21.95. Oh no, right. Yep. 9 minutes in, and well, explanations, and the explanations are now over with. I don't think I'm going to have to open this up and show people what it actually looks like out of the packaging. Yeah. And also, this thing, try and get everything right, is actually cheaper than those official Xbox One wired controllers, and getting one of those would have been completely useless because that is running Windows 8.1 and those controllers only running Windows 10. So here ends the unboxing of the Microsoft Xbox 360 controller for Windows. I'll probably leave a link in the video description once I've actually done it, once I've actually filmed it, put it all together and rendered it out and uploaded it to YouTube, of the playtesting section where I'll actually run this in several games, mostly games that are X input only, or work better with X input, like Sonic Generations, which is probably going to be the first test. So, join me again for the next video when I'm actually going to be going through the testing. So, catch you later.